Good afternoon, everybody. This is my project management topic, last part of your third unit. This is the last portion of your third unit. I will just tell you how we have just yesterday discussed about this next generation cost models. Now, as going to the last topic, we will discuss our main software experts knowledge, how they are doing their work based on next generation cost models. Now, these are the software experts that hold variety of opinions. Like, they are just explaining us that software experts are holding variety of opinions about software economics and its manifestation in software cost estimation models. Means it is just explaining about how these next generation cost models based on next generation software economics, these people are holding, software experts are holding so many opinions about software economics, how to estimate a a type of cost model, software cost model. Accordingly, we will just see in this diagram that is already we have discussed. Now we will move ahead with this diagram. This is just telling about the versus plan of this portion versus that portion. So we will just see here that this portion is having a source line of code here. That is versus function points. So here it means the source size of codes are equal to version points, function points. These both are equally part of each other, but we are just doing it is this versus that, this portion versus that portion. Now, going to the next point, we are in this diagram, we will see productivity measures versus quality measures. After that, we will go from Java. It is just sharing a language here, Java versus C++. Then at last we will see object oriented versus function oriented. Now now it is just telling it will be difficult to improve some estimation models while the project data going to these models are noisy and highly uncorrelated and are based on different process and technology foundations. This just telling about some difficulties we are getting to improve these empirical estimation models, while project data going into these models are having some effects based on some correlated or uncorrelated data based on different process and technologies. Whatever process and technologies are there, based on that we are having some different type of these process models and empirical estimations. Some more points, let me tell you, are here they have given 10 points based on modern software economics. First is changes that provide a good description of what an organizational manager should strive for in making the transition to a modern process. So here also I have given a meaning here. Whatever changes you are doing in your software project or software development project, process management, whatever project you are trying to do in project management subject, in this they are giving a good description of which type of organizational manager or a particular manager, like project manager, you all know, like project manager, here they are giving an organizational manager. You can give the name as organizational manager who is organizing all the good type of or the best type of projects. So project manager is also part, and organizational manager here they are using should try for making the transition into a modern process, making the changes in a particular modern process. So here we are making some changes based on some activities of manager to for only that process purpose we are using this modern software economics. So this simple concept. So here, based on this changes of the particular project manager or organizational manager, we will try to make the changes based on transition of a modern process. Now, here the first point, all the points given here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, are based on these changes of modern software economics. Now, the first point is telling about finding and fixing a software problem after delivery cost 100 times more than fixing the problem in early design phases. So here we are finding and fixing a software problem. So again, this simple concept, it is just telling whatever software you are designing, software project you are designing, we have to find and fix that particular problem. Okay, after delivery, whatever cost it is having, cost whatever after delivery, whatever cost is there, like 100 times it is costing. You can say 200 times, you can take 50 times, cost 50 times, 100, 200 times more. Okay, than fixing the problem in early design. phases. Okay, what to do, what they're doing, finding, we do just find a cost of a delivery cost and fixing. Then what is here important is that whatever software problem is there, that is delivered, and it is costing too costly, it is its cost is very high, 100 times or 50 times or 200 times. Okay, then fixing. So in place of fixing any problem in that particular software design model,